You know the funny thing about small talk? Most people treat it like the opening band at a concert, something to suffer through before the real show starts. But here's the truth. Every deep conversation, every real connection starts with small talk. Even your best friend, that started with an awkward, "So, what classes are you taking?" or something equally cringy. So if you've ever felt stuck in an awkward silence or hated small talk, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never struggle with it again. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're an introvert, small talk probably feels like a social tax you have to pay just to exist in public. But guess what? Small talk isn't about what you say. It's about making the other person feel like a human instead of an NPC waiting for input. You don't need a script, cheat codes, or even charisma. You just need to master one thing: active observation. Let me explain. Step 1. Active observation, the secret to effortless conversations. I know. Active observation sounds like something out of a psychology textbook, but hear me out. It's simple. Pay attention to the actual, tangible details about the person in front of you. Not their vibe or their aura, just the obvious stuff. Their shirt, their drink, the way they keep glancing at the exit like they're plotting their escape. Once you notice something, comment on it in a way that invites, not demands, a response. That's it. Matter of fact, I could end this video right here, but I won't. Let me break down why this works. Step 2. Why active observation works like magic. First, people love to feel seen, not in a deep, philosophical way, but just in a simple, "Hey, I noticed you exist" way. Second, it's disarming. You're not hitting them with a job interview question like, "So what do you do?" You're just tossing a conversational ball and seeing if they want to throw it back. Let's put it into practice. You're at a coffee shop and someone next to you is holding a book. Instead of the default, "What are you reading?" which feels like a pop quiz, you say, "That book looks like it's been through some things." Boom. No pressure, just an observation. At a party, aka an introvert's worst nightmare, someone walks by with a questionable-looking plate of food. Instead of staying silent, you say, "Is that the chicken? It looks like it fought back." Maybe they laugh. Maybe they defend the chicken. Either way, you've started a conversation. Step 3. How to get good at this fast. Okay, now that you know what to do, here's how to make it second nature. Start noticing details. Put your phone down, take out your headphones, and actually look around. What are people wearing? How are they acting? These little things tell you a lot. Turn observations into comments. Most people overthink this. They worry about sounding weird, but newsflash, no one cares as much as you think they do. Someone's wearing a bright yellow jacket? That's a bold color choice. I respect it. You spot an overloaded coffee order? That's a lot of whipped cream for someone who doesn't look like they're celebrating. Get comfortable with silence. Not every comment will spark a conversation, and that's fine. You're not forcing anything. You're just giving people the chance to engage. If they don't, no harm, no foul. So let's recap. Small talk isn't about impressing people. It's about making them feel seen. Active observation makes it effortless. The more you do it, the easier and actually fun it gets. And once you nail this, small talk stops feeling like a chore and starts feeling like a game. You're no longer trying to talk. You're just noticing things and seeing what happens. So next time you're in a coffee shop or at a party, try it. Notice something. Make a comment. Worst case, nothing happens, and you move on with your life. Best case, you've just made a connection. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below. What's the most awkward small talk moment you've ever had? Let's laugh about it together. See you in the next one.